In another episode of What in the World Are We Packing Today, we have this, looks like oak, potentially, canoe frame. I don't think it's actually used as a real canoe. I'm pretty sure it's just decoration, but it does come at a pretty penny and it does have quite a value. But just looking at the bends and the various things of how they tack this thing or staple this thing together, I'm not even sure, but pretty impressive nonetheless. And how we're gonna pack this thing, I had to build a custom box for it. As you can see, measuring all the sides and angles, and it's so long, so it's obviously not gonna go ground, so this has to go via freight services. But yes, I'll post all the photos when it's all said and done and safely and secure in its box. And this is what we call a suspension, so that means we've got styrofoam suspending it on the tops, bottoms, and on the sides, bracing it over there and over there. And most people say, oh, why don't you fill this whole thing with peanuts or stuff? Because that is a lot of peanuts, and we don't need to do all that because it'll be solid enough in this box that it won't move around at all. And then we'll put another strip of styrofoam on the top here to protect that side, and that'll brace it on the top. So anyway, don't forget, we're at Garden of the Gods in Centennial in Colorado Springs. Anything you need shipped or packed professionally, we can do it for you. Thanks again. Have an awesome day.